One number.
One number.
One number can get you to any heart institution in Jamaica.
One number.
All you need is one number.
99-43278.
Just one number.
It's easy as 99 heart.
Remember that's one number.
99-43278.
To serve you faster, better, easier. Heart just 98. One number, many locations. One number for all information.
With one number, you can reach any heart location. 876-994-3278.
Yes, Dr. Grant here. Where do I find you? Oh, you're in one of the hostel? Okay. The hostel room. Got it. I'm coming to you. How regular do you feel the business?
Like 3 to 4 times for the day.
I hope you're not overexerting yourself, you're resting.
I'm not right now because enough night I go to bed 3 o'clock.
Baby keeps you up?
Yeah.
Active.
More like overactive. Sometimes I feel like the two of them in there.
Pressure is good. Listen, little one, you need to allow mommy to rest. She needs the strength to carry on. Oh, and if there's another one in there, you need to show yourself.
Me still can't believe. Boy 5, me feel it for you and another me.
Sherry, 2 days now I don't see her hear from you. And you just forward and start pack up things. We can't talk.
Talk? Alright, Winston. Let's talk.
Life goes on, so he not reach out to you? So 5, you don't think you feel hear what I say?
I move on. I realize
I just realized I'm having somebody at one corner.
Let's start by you answering these 3 questions for me. 1. What if I ever do here? 2. What if I ever do with your shirt? And last but not least, how 5 Erin reach here?
Sherry, let's calm down.
Winston, I am calm. I asked you 3 direct questions, so don't deflect. Just answer them.
Alright, what's your style? I not say 5 in about a month. And the other night, right as me about to close the door, then 5 me say pop up. And I said to me, say, boy, she need to talk. So me and her fall inside and me and her sit down and I reason. And me not even pre the time. Just lose track of time, you know me I say, and by the time you know it, curfew. I just tell her to hold the bed. Not never a night.
How convenient. Not only that, how irresponsible.
Irresponsible?
Yeah, irresponsible, me say. 5 no you have, woman.
Sherry.
Seal.
Sherry. Sherry.
Winston. But I say nothing. You answer the question.
What do you mean by that?
Silence mean consent, you know. You see, if you did tell her say you have a woman, she would day here 11:30 in the night after curfew. And then again, she turn up again after 8 in the night. Winston, you remember when we did meet? I ask you, I ask if you still love her.
5 of the past. You are my future. Sherry, you know say you're special.
Right now, I don't feel so special. Dear more you do. So I thought this thing between you and 5. But until then, this is it.
Sherry.
I think you should have just hear him explanation. You sure I never just want one night stand?
Really? Me and you know if you not serious about somebody, then not damn please. Should I get the one night stand somewhere else?
That's true. True.
Truth is, I shouldn't expect Winston to sit around with me. Because without somebody in my life, I'm a human too.
You're my little niece-in-law turn big man.
Aye, ex-niece-in-law.
Watch ya. He might call me.
Let the call. I'll call you back.
Make sure you call me back. Cause me have something to tell you.
I won't want
I book up your friend and her baby father at one restaurant.
a lie. Aye, all about talk to him. I'll call me back. I'm waiting for your audience.
Alright, 5. We talk later. No, as a matter of fact, this can't talk on phone. So come link me tomorrow.
Right and early.
You don't have work. More bright and early. See your face?
That's why I said right and early. You don't worry about that, my bro.
Alright, 5. Okay. Tomorrow.
Alright.
Alright. Yes, Shoppy.
So Simone, you are in your 3rd trimester. So iron is very important for your intake right now.
Iron, doctor. I can't bother with the iron pill, because all them do is bind me up.
I'm not suggesting tablets, Simone. I'm suggesting greens.
Greens? Doctor, me no goat, Green's too hard for consume. I can't bother with that neither.
Listen, Simone, your body needs iron, and that iron is what carries oxygen around the body. That's what gives the baby the required oxygen it needs to develop. A lack of iron can cause anemia, and that could result in premature birth and could send you into postpartum depression.
Sometimes I not even feel like I'm going to do the full term.
That is why my job is to ensure that you bring the baby to full term, safe and healthy.
Don't stop.
Now about the sleep issue you're having. Are you sure you're not stressing over, I don't know, anything?
No. I'm not stressed over nothing. Well, the only thing with on my mind I just, the changes when we make about the place, but that's it.
Everything good with you and the child's father?
You can't say that.
So, you guys are getting serious again?
Some sort of way.
It's really good to know. I mean, love between you guys will make for a healthy baby.
I don't think we reach love yet, but we're definitely at a better place.
Well, if love existed there before, it can definitely return.
I guess so.
I think you are back in love, but you don't want to admit it to yourself.
Why you say that?
Simone, look at yourself. You blush when his name is mentioned. Like what you're doing now. You are so in love. Love? Such a magical thing.
So like you in love.
Who, me? No, my dear. See, unfortunately, this love thing is definitely not for everyone.
You get hurt already?
Yes. My lover was having an affair with another doctor. And then he tried to kill me.
Wow. That's so serious.
It was. So now, I'm going to teach him a very invaluable lesson.
Where you go with that, Doc? I'm afraid I need you,
Don't worry. It's just a little prick. This will be all over soon. And it's going to help you to sleep good at nights. See? Did you feel anything?
No, ain't that bad.
Told you.
Oh. In fact, I feel like I already want to sleep.
Just relax. See this photo I just sent to you? Tock cartoon. Sleep well, Simone.
That's how you go there. You need to lock in place in that. I can get everything in there.
Everything is a race, brother.
And then people the thing that them got.
You're not going to get no income system.
No, no. Just not a lot to get there. Well, one quick thing. I also didn't make all the move. I'm not seeing man them from where they are.
Different dog, you know what, man.
So you find something for the youth to do?
Yeah, man. Need something for the head.
Right, that man.
The last thing never that cut it, you know.
That.
So the high ball, so the low ball, it's like hard and low. So it depends upon any which one of them want to do. Alright, so you have to partner before you make it. Alright, I'm safe.
Let me ask you something. You link a politician to get this done?
Politics, man. But I'm in a politician. You know, sir, big man thing. I want them to pay the man them. And the man them still not see the light.
Brother, politics never serve our cause, brother, as inner city youth.
Then at that me I show the man them. At that me I show the man them, but the man them nah see it.
Yo, a whole heap of things we proud of as Jamaicans, brother. Football, dance, music. But name one time where the people proud of our government, brother.
Real thought that, you know.
Gentlemen, afternoon, say you wanted to meet. I came as soon as what's going on?
Oh, I'm going to say, you're different, no man. But I extra one for.
We insisted that I work with a CPU.
A what?
Close protection officer.
Yo, squaddy! Him good for the ends, you know. You know, if you have behave so in a bad manner.
Squaddy. Look like squaddy there.
Not that serious, no squaddy. I'm not illegal around this, you know, so I don't know where you venture around this, you know.
Minister, what is my responsibility? No matter where him go, or who him attack. Right. My responsibility. Alright. Gentlemen, Smith does do his job, alright? So easy one. Smith, I'm good. Let's wait on the outside.
Smith looks smart to you.
Big boss. Relax. Alright. So, alright. What do you want to meet you? Talk to me. What about
No. What's wrong?
Talk to me, because I have a busy day. What's going on?
What me really want to know still, Mr. Wallace, what going on with you on shopping?
That happened. When tell you say?
Tell you the truth, I'm not really sure with the full 100, you know. We don't really sure what I want. That's why we show you. Because they don't know Shoppy I want to win, you know.
Just tell we say you are not who you pretend to be in a fam.
Look, I build houses in some of the most volatile communities in Jamaica. So me couldn't be a pushover. I couldn't act like me weak. No, me never tell Shoppy friend them say them nah get paid. Me tell them say them soon get paid. But him take it up on him head and rob my site. Make me lose my credibility and lose the contract. We couldn't make that slide.
Mr. Wallace, see what me say?
Mr. Wallace. Smith. It's alright.
Hear me say, Mr. Wallace. Me not really busy with you and Shoppy what go on back then and run a one place, run a one party. What me care about is my crew, my family, the Dan Dadas, and right now two are going it a split with. You get to me and say, and that's another code.
That's not our code at all. We can't make it seem like politics and divide we, you see me?
Take it to the street again, you know. Yeah, man, I make up my mind, brother. Because what a style. Me want to create the necessary funds to get my thing dealt with in my community, brother. You see me?
I finish already. Yeah, dude, cause
Sing good.
love and look man.
So good look, man.
A good upgrade.
Wow, me tell you, you know?
Yeah.
You do the work, man.
Yeah,
Put in
which is
work,
right.
you know?
Which is right.
Ah. Bad Rasta.
Love the upgrade.
Bad Rasta.
I want
That better look for you, you know. That one will work better for you. Yeah, man.
Real, man.
This thing good though.
Yeah, man, we have life, you know.
Hey, because,
Get anything?
because,
Alright, what's the style?
look at thing, look at program, I want to go on there, so.
As you can see, a football me I did no coaching and everything. The Narbrook Strikers junior, so we show them the fundamentals of football and everything they see it, and we mold them and everything they have them do the right thing. And we start from under 6 to 13, you know.
Proud of you, you know, cause love the look, man. Just keep it up and stay focused. But anyway, just pass me the pass through. I'm moving, yeah. Good. Stay focused.
Look, gentlemen, me no come about for broke no code or split no family. Shoppy a phone a friend, not mine. Me are the MP and me have a list of functions for them. And that means 10 for them. So, I suggest, uno, fix things with Shoppy. But tell him to Lego the bad vibes. Lego the past. Because it's him at fault. Anyway, gentlemen, I have a long day and a whole lot of things to do. So if there's nothing else, I'll leave. Alright?
Changes, going forward, setting a rolling with it, knowing start rolling with it. We have a sit shop, strap it, and with a serious reason to the box.
Yeah, Wayne. Yeah, you think you'd have time for be the head of my security company? Yeah, man. I scout some places now, and you know, I just want to know, say, I have a team I work with and somebody where I head it who I can trust. You know, say, as long as you have the time, yeah, man. When anybody who may hire, them have to have at least 3 subjects. I mean, we are going to train them how we want them to be in the field. Yeah. Just put the word out. So, we can have them on file for anybody who want to join. No worry, man. Me and you have a formal meeting for iron out things. So we can get down to business. You understand? Wait, me call it back. Hi. Do not touch the island grill food from there. It's my lunch.
Say, can you give me 2 of the chips?
No.
You know you get look a bit of mean. You know me I come down here and you buy one food. Curry cook? Wait. She cook curry. You can't call her another food for me.
Little bit of love your belly.
So me come to get bread that early. Come. Give me sauce. Come, it's so early.
Yes,
come
yes, some of the call carry for the food.
Hurry up.
Hurry up and do what? Call Kerry for the food or give the sauce?
Call curry first and then you give me the sauce. I can't listen to sauce for hungry belly.
Want me am out? Lick. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put
Mommy.
your back.
What you do?
Now practice Miss Goody.
You try to find something else to practice to. You're not that.
Why?
You listen to the song? You know what I talk about?
Not really. But that's like the part that say, put your back in it. Put your back in it.
Where you get the song from?
You see it on YouTube, Miss Goody, and it said lick clean.
Oh, and the clean version I listen to?
Yes.
Come let me make you hear the raw one. So what a coincidence. We're at the same restaurant. So you not say nothing to her? She not say nothing to you?
5,
If I did she alone, maybe me that say something to her. But seeing him, no sir, me never ready. Me just never ready.
Boy, Bubbles, my understand, you know. But this I go on for too long now. Feel like we need for like sit down and have a real friend to friend talk.
Yeah. Soon.
How soon?
Soon 5.
Me know you. Time you there to tell me say soon, message her and tell her say on the need for have a talk. So I know how we gonna work it out, whether you go over there or she come over here. But this need to stop now.
I better she come over here. Cause if me go over there and buck him up, it might not be pretty.
Any which way, it just need to work out. So, why you have me wait so long?
With what?
Why you never say?
So, me never think it no matter.
No matter. Just want to hear what matter say.
Auntie!
There's a plan. You know say my come up here though.
Just like how me and Goody need for talk, you and Shoppy need for talk.
Sad that she has sing about Miss Goody? You trying to play that Ronessa again, yeah? My goodness! Me nobody want lick nothing. Come, let me show you how to operate this, because we're officially up and running now. We're up on bookings.com.
Okay.
So, when any guests come in, you make them sanitize and you check if them have any reservation.
Then make them sign the register and take them to the room.
Right.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a main housekeeper and 2 trainees come in, but I want you to oversee and make sure the room prep before the guests them arrive.
Okay, Miss Goody.
Alright. I'm gonna get a phone for you for do that specifically for the hostel though.
Okay.
Alright. So they go on the website, is it? Everything else up? Alright.
Just know you feel like saying no styling things.
What style of food do anything? You have your woman.
5. Well, you have somebody in your life. You forget that?
I ask you. Is that I never ask? So when you leave me on for?
5. They fear through everything, and guess what?
Yes, and when I ask you, you should have tell me.
So my answer the phone must answer as Plummy?
No man, Plummy are your bar character. When you deal with business, more you become Melita.
Oh, now I understand.
Right.
Hi, Plummy.
Hi, Mr. Wallace.
You know, Parliament mean we're there.
Yeah, I you come check pan. You alright?
Yeah, I feel better. Much better than yesterday. Me have to call Dr. Grant last night because me feel too dizzy.
Come here. Excuse me, Plummy.
Alright.
They say me not trust a woman there, you know. From she start take care of this dizziness thing start.
Well, go back this again. What is it with you and Dr. Grant? You know her? She was your girlfriend or something?
What? Why you not say something like that?
You alright? Listen, Carlton, me don't want a 2 doctor to look after me. But alright with Dr. Grant, she's doing a very competent job. Just leave it alone now.
Alright, Simone, alright. So, what she give you last night?
Hold on there. You're a contractor, you're a politician, now you're a doctor. Me get an injection for the dizziness. That's all. Me no like injection, but you make me feel comfortable and me feel better.
I can just imagine.
Anyways, on a lighter note now, we're fully up and operational.
Okay.
We're just away from my first guest.
Nice. Well, that sounds good because I have a few friends that can, send out the word and things. So, we're good to go.
Alright. I'm going to lay down because the baby they right on my belly bottom. Plummy, later, no more licking.
Alright, Miss
Alright, no, Simon, hold on. Let me carry upstairs.
Hello. So Alice, pregnant. And I'm disabled. I still have to do a little exercise.
Yeah, but... Alright.
I am okay. Contact. You're real Friday, you know?
I'm if you tell you, my friend bad.
Listen. I'm alright. I'm good.
You sure?
Later.
Alright.
Shine it. Alright.
Yes, hello? I'm trying to get in contact with Miss Doreen Brown. Yes. Okay, you can tell her Carlton Wallace. Okay, thanks much. Alright, good.
Yeah, but you know who is going to be fair and impartial in that case, Booker. You know that. I don't care. Listen, I don't care if he's a minister, you know. It could be the Prime Minister himself, you see? Whichever case comes before me and my court, I'm always going to be impartial and fair. You can't buy me out. Yeah, because if you break the law, you break the law. It's simple. Yeah, man, I'm on my way to the gym now. So what I'll do is I'll either have Martin pick me. I'll pick you up. When I'm coming from the gym, I'll pick you up and be there for about an hour. You mean that little white thing that you gave me to wear? I'm not wearing that. Alright. Abs. And legs. They're gonna kill me. But yes, when I finish, I'll pick you up. I'll be there for an hour. What I'll do is when I'm leaving, I'll call you to let you know so you can start getting ready. Yeah, man, alright. I know, because we haven't had dinner in such a long time, Casey. Lord. You know it's from law school. From law school. We had lunch once, but that was it. I can't wait to see you, my darling. Alright. Alright, later.
So, you guys fully understand the requirements that is needed for this type of business?
Yes, Minister.
We have zero room for errors. As a matter of fact, let me say it again. Proper management is paramount. Have you secured a unit as yet?
Yeah, General. Unit secured already. Go one further too. Make the down payment already too.
Alright. Like what I hear. So, outside of my share of the funds, anything else you need from me?
Yeah. In actuality, we are going to need your link. Sort out the permits then. And such things, you see?
Yeah, license and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. I like what I hear. But I know that this is a very risky business. Me not too like the ship business. Ship can sink, package can get lost, and worse, lawsuit. I'm in a court business right now.
In reality, you know, Mr. Minister, every business carries risk. And the risk in this one is no different. You understand? And the bigger the risk, the bigger the profit margin.
Plus, Minister, we can decide where we want to ship. At this stage, we don't have to start off with the complicated thing. We can start small and build it.
I don't even want to hear the word complicated. I have enough issues I deal with right now. As a matter of fact, let's just go straight to it. What we have in place already, that we want to talk about.
Well, we have 6 boxes 7-seater to deal with the ground transportation, and we're supposed to get another 2 by the month end.
Plus, we have the warehouse breakdown next week.
But so like we don't have everything in order, man, and well ahead of the game. Alright.
Minister, regardless of what you might see, regardless of what you might think, bear in mind, at the core, we are business people.
Good evening, sir.
Ah, Carlene, good evening. I didn't know you were still here.
Yeah, I'm finishing up some overdue work.
Oh, so am I, Carlene.
Oh, sir, I must say, I really admire the stance you took with the maroon issue the other day.
You do?
Most definitely. Some things need to be said and done.
Interesting. For some reason, I expected you to be on the side of my brother.
There was a very interesting interview on TV with the chief and Dion Jackson.
Yes, I saw it. All angles, yes.
It brought a whole lot into perspective.
It certainly did.
Sir, let me be the first to say, since you're taking up your post, your work has been exemplary.
Oh, thank you, Carlene. You know, it's time we start working to make the people believe in us again.
Amen to that.
Yep. I'm impressed. But gentlemen, let me level with you. I can get you most of the permits. But the major permits, we're going to have a problem.
Problem, Minister? What kind of problem?
Really no.
The shipping permit have to be acquired from someone who wants to corner the market.
So, Minister, what if we offer him a substantial amount of money?
Or rather sit down with the person.
None of the above. You might want a full partnership. And I can tell you this much. You might go squeeze with hard.
Oh, so one of them greedy dude there.
His second in command is easier to deal with.
So, Minister, what if we were to send one of our top negotiators then go talk to this brother? That should work, right?
I can set up a meeting for you. That's not a problem. But I wish you luck.
So tell me, If unfortunately these negotiations fall through, can this second sign off on the deal?
Not if this brother is still in the picture. So, Minister, fix things. No, they do, Mitchell. Well done.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Alright, no problem.
Oh, by the way, that little trial you have in a worst case scenario, you don't think that will affect our business?
Oh man, that little court matter that I have, I deal with it right now, man. Don't worry. This will not affect our business.
I hope not.
Alright.
Sir, I had asked the minister to sign off on the disbursement for the grant funds for persons in entertainment, but
Them still a sign off on that yet?
he doesn't see the urgency.
No man, but you see, the entertainment industry has been hit the hardest, you know. I was still drag with foot and giving people them some money. Look, I forgot to talk to Marcus, because this don't make no sense.
Sir, you can sign off on it, you know.
Really?
Yes, sir. Either of you can.
Hello? Miss Brown. Oh, you landed. So you did the rapid test? Okay, good. I'll be there shortly. I'll be there in no time. Alright, by the time you go through customs, I'll be there. Okay. Great. Thank you very much, Miss Brown. Alright, Carlene, I have to run. Anything else?
No, that's it, sir. Thank
Okay,
you very much.
alright. I'll let me close my door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Document signed.
Yeah. You have your eye on the target? Make it happen. Right now. Good.
Hi, Casey. Yeah, I'm just leaving the gym now. I'm going to be late, so I'm going to send my driver, Martin. He'll pick you up. Yeah, I'm going to be, don't kill me, not a gym. I'm going to be about an hour late. But good, go on, order something. I'll pay for it. It's my treat for being late. Alright. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. As soon as I get some info, I'm going to circle.
I don't know when to go. Not to stand next to you.
Martin, what the hell? Martin, what's happening? Martin!
That look away. Yeah. But 5. Remember, say, you move on, you know. So what you expect? Oh, you ask him. I true him, should I tell you? I don't know what to tell you, say, you know. I swear, I don't know what to tell you, say. But give you a joke. Your friend tell you, say, she see me at a restaurant with you. You say, I come in there with one man, so I don't know if I'm a man. Yeah, I'm slim and okay. No, she not say nothing to me. I mean worse not say nothing to her. Hold on, make it a beat. Yes, Mr. Wallace. But they run at the bar. Alright. Yeah, 5. May I go call you back here? Alright.
Good night, good night.
Okay. Which breeze blow there? I have something to tell you.
Well, may I have something to tell you too?
But just get my official first 2 guests.
But then play, I guess.
See? Because I'm in the bar, because I'm gone home, so
Oh.
just to go fair, yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, I have a surprise for you.
You know me not like surprise, you know.
You ever like that one?
You sure?
Yeah, man. Just wait, alright? Ta-da!
What should I do, yeah?
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, man. Grab Smog on here, you know. Hey, I want to wish you a happy birthday from the Morgan family to you. Thank you for being you. Shelly, you're an icon, and what you do for our culture and our music, reggae and dancehall music. Thank you. Words could never be enough. And I just want to say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shirley Xpressionz. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, man, Grams Morgan wishing you a happy birthday. We say more life, more blessings, and I hope you live to see many, many more. Happy birthday, Shirley.
Happy birthday to you. This is your day. Always thinking of you. Love you every day. This is your day. Your day. Happy birthday to you. Blessed Earth Strong Auntie. Full joy. Every minute. Love you. Code is life. You already know.
Happy birthday, Shelly. I love you, Mama. Hope you enjoy to see many, many more. 41 look like 14. You go, girl. Continue being the person you are, and happy birthday again, Ma.
Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, aka Miss Brissette. Watch your style, yeah. You know, so big, me a big up on your Earth Strong. Yeah, man. Where's the pink? Alright, the soon do your part. Big up yourself for your Earth Strong, you know, Shelly. You know the chop. Only for years of friendship. One more year upon there, you know already. Out.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you, Shelly. I hope you live to see many, 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 many more. We love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, yo, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, aka Angela Brissette. Go and big up yourself and you're strong. You hear that? Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. And may the Lord shower him riches and the most nicest blessings them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Happy birthday.
Hi Shelly, happy birthday. Thank you so much for sharing your love and light and kindness and warmth with me and the rest of the Bartender family. Happy birthday, and I hope this year will bring a whole heap of joy, blessings and love that you've never seen before. Stay awesome, Shelly. Happy birthday.
Shells, aka Bubbles, aka my second wife. Happy birthday, darling. I wish you nothing but love and prosperity, good health and all that, and I wish you live to see many, many more. You might talk about rocking chair days, so you know, and grandkids and all these things. So happy birthday, happy birthday. One love.
God bless you, no curse lady. Enough of them are the worst lady. They only belong to the first lady. Them a thief! So watch your purse lady. I don't know say a DB, I mean I say happy birthday in a 3D. Right now, me I represent for the first lady, Shelly Xpressionz. I just wish you long life and good health. You hear that?
Me I wanna know say if me start talk, I ball like a baby. To a lady, to a queen, to a friend, to a sister, to a confidant, to a mother. A mother that graced my life even though I have a mother before. This lady came into my life and they advised, the hugs, the push, the never give up, the mad face. You gotta do this and that. Shelly, you mean everything. You mean everything to me. And you know I love you with all of my heart. And I will never stop loving you. And I told you already, I'm going to make you proud. Like you made me proud. Shelly, I love you from the bottom of my heart to the top of my heart. And I pray that God give you nothing but the best. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you, mommy. Mwah.
Let's talk of the best talk, man. When you hear the voice and you see the face, if you know, so the quickest you can represent. Hear that. See, I love all I represent it. Shelly, happy birthday, and big up yourself now. You don't know, I love and dog.
What's good BT jam? If you see the face and hear the voice, I don't know how I'm have to tell you that. If you all want to know, one break back, any other back, she came back. But another I'm coming to talk about today. Shelly, aka Bubbles. Pick up yourself being special day, mama. Don't know me, I wish you happy birthday. Get me, I say, more life, more prosperity, more everything. All the life of your family. You see me? Hope you have a blast and nobody spoil it. Cheers to a new chapter. After love, I'm out.
Hi, this is your girl Circles, aka Diamond, wishing Shelly and Xpressionz a happy birthday. Girl not know, and she still not forget where she a come from. No, right, that's all.
Happy birthday, Shelly. Big up yourself, Shelly Xpressionz. Boom, girl. #1 bad girl in the bartender. Happy birthday, girl. I love you. Keep doing you. Blessings forever.
Yeah, this is Junior Williams. Picking up Shelly Xpressionz on our Earth Strong. So me I say, I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna wish you a happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. Bless up yourself, girl.
I want to say happy birthday to my mommy, my mother, Shelly Xpressionz. So nobody wanna always ask if we're a sister. We're not related by blood nor nothing, but may I tell you, say that lady, anybody, you can't tell anybody, say she a female mommy. So happy birthday, mommy, and I want to say I wish you many more to come. Love you.
Shelly, my friend, you don't know it, go. You understand? The man where you don't have on the side that you don't have an all bag of something. Don't big up yourself, you understand? You know, so years, whole heap of years, way back far from one part where I fought from. And it's a pleasure to see how you have grown and matured and blossomed into this absolutely beautiful human being, this fantastic woman. I'm going to say big up yourself. And from Tyrone to Bubbles, watch yourself. Blessed be.
I just want to say happy birthday, happiest of birthday to my girl Bubbles. You know, even though we're not talking at the show, we're the best of friends in a real life. I love you like a sister, like a everything. Enjoy a special day, and I wish you all the best and God's richest blessings. Mwah. I would have said that. Look at you.
This is Renegade, aka Speng. Wishing Shelly Xpressionz a happy birthday.
Watch the style and the man D Major represent for one of the female general them in the army scene. Shelly Xpressionz, it's your day. So when I say it's your birthday. Girl, we gon' party like it's your birthday. Yeah man, I mean I say love and respect from my heart. Wishing you many more. Wishing you continued blessings, prosperity, good health. So I say for you and your family and you and yours. So I say just live it up. Have a drink this weekend and for the rest of the month. So I say love, respect every time. D Major said that. And you know what Harvey would have said to her? Even when I go a million miles away, Shelly says her loving for him. She not give it away.
Hey First Lady. Alright, so what am I going to say now that I have not said about 21 times already? I am wishing you a happy birthday. I know you'll enjoy it. Can never make sure of it. So, bless up yourself. More life, more prosperity, good health, and all of the richest blessings that life has to offer. You don't know the shrub scene? Love and love alone. Coming from the dancehall professor. Your dancehall professor.